So today I'm going to be using the new Tarte Shape Up Your Makeup routine. This includes the new Tarte Shape Tape Foundation, the hydrating one. So we're going to be trying it out. So first thing first is I've already prepped my skin. I've used my Emma Hardy Brilliance facial oil, and I've also used my Emma Hardy Amazing Face Protect and Prime. This has got SPF 30 in it for every day. So let's get cracking with the foundation. Fair Beige was literally the lightest one I could find. I got this from QVC, and basically I wasn't sure what shade I was. In the Shape Tape foundation from QVC it just says fair. This was the only one that said fair on it, so I thought that'll be for me. But then when I opened it up I was like, oh, it's a bit orange. So we're gonna just try it. I don't know if it might be a bit too dark. Try a little bit. It's a bit weird having to keep dunking in. This shade just looks really strange on me. It's like peachy orange. But we're gonna try. This set did come with a sponge, but I've already got a sponge, so we'll just use the sponge I've already got. I'm just gonna try and put another layer on. I feel like I'm using a lot of it as well to kind of get it to do anything. Like the amount of money that this foundation is. Like you can get them from CYO or somewhere. This one. This is my favourite foundation. This was £7.50. I might blend it down my neck a bit. Video as well, I was going to show you how I cover my dark circles. So this is like a 3-step process. So the first step is I'm using the Maybelline Instant Aloe Razor Eye in the brightener shade. This is like a pinky tone. Now if you've got fair skin like me with like a pinky undertone, the best thing to do to cancel out a dark circle is to use something that's pinky, and then it kind of counteracts the blue under your eyes. So this is what I'm going to be doing, and then you go in with your normal concealer over the top. Just dab it on. Put quite a lot on because I do bring it down as well. Put it on my eyelids as well because they've also got blue on them, and then I kind of tap it out like that. And can you see like the blue is gone? And then I just get my smaller beauty blender, blend that out. I don't blend it all the way into the corner because I use my fingers. And now I'm just going to bring it down my nose and across. And as you can see, the blue's gone completely from under my eyes. So then the second step is I get my normal concealer. So I'm just going to, again, use my fingers. This is running out. Ooh, what do I do when it runs out? I have to buy another one. They're so expensive. And then I kind of pop it. So where the line is under my eye, I just pop this on there. And then I don't fully blend it in, so I'll do the other eye now. And I kind of just let it sit there for a minute, and this makes it set and like kind of mould. Getting better. Sorry about the lighting today, I don't know what's going on. And then I just blend that out on the edges, like that. And as you can see, the blue's gone, and that kind of covers up the dark circle. And then I'm going to use my YSL, this is the pink, it's called Soufflé d'Éclat, and it's a pink loose powder, and basically this brightens underneath the eyes. So I'll just take a little bit, and I get the little poof that it comes with, like that. Laura Geller Balance and Glow in porcelain. So this is the Tarte foundation brush, but I just use it for powder. And just kind of bounce that all over. So that is what my base looks like. Then the next step, I've got my Sin Bronzing, Highlighting and Blush Palette. This one. So just take my brush. I'm just going into Paranoid, but I'm also mixing it with a bit of PSA. I'm just going to contour. When I contour, I literally take it to about here. If you take it any further, it looks a bit silly. I'm sorry, I pull a silly face when I'm doing this. I'm just mixing the two. And then I'll just go onto my forehead. These are very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. I'm just bronzing, bronzing, bronzing. Bit on my nose, like that. So now I'm just going to kind of sharpen that contour up a bit. So again, I'm going to go in with my YSL brightening powder, and I'm literally going to take a bit. Take a big fluffy brush there. Just wipe that off. You see, nice contour. And next I'm going to do my favourite thing, which is highlight. Now this kit, it came with this Leave Your Mark palette. It's actually really pretty. It's got like little lips all over it, gold packaging. And then it's got some eyeshadows and a highlighter. So I'm going to try out this highlighter. So I'm going to use, I might have a bit of bronzer on this brush. This is my Real Techniques contour brush. So I'm just going to take the highlighter from here. Now I like a blinding highlight, so this better be good. Lights going again. Peachy kind of gold. You see, that is pretty. And the first one I'm going to go in with is called Grace, and it's this one here. There is a bit of fallout in these. It's not too bad. And then just rub that all over. Oh, that's pretty. No. proper white colour, it's like a ivory kind of colour. It's got a bit of peach in it. That's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. So then next I'm going to go in with, I think, Good Vibes. That sounds nice. We need some good vibes. I'm just going to go all over my lid with that. Really pretty. And that is so pretty. Look at that. Really pretty. I like that. It is good. So then, just to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Ooh, dropping things. I'm just going to use my Ofra Glow Goals in, oh no, sorry, this one's called Glazed Donut. So I'm just going to take a tiny teeny weeny brush and literally just tap. And then just pop that there. This highlighter is insane. It's like, hello, I'm a highlighter. By the way, I am getting my eyebrows done today, so excuse my bushy eyebrows. I think that's about as much as I like doing with my eyebrows because I'm just not very good at them. That's why I get someone else to do it for me. So this is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. It's a pretty packaging. It's like a snake skin feel packaging. This is supposed to be a 4-in-1 mascara that lengthens and volumizes. So I have really blonde eyelashes. You can't actually see them unless I put mascara on. A couple of times I have worn no mascara and people have gone, "Are you okay? Are you poorly? Do you need to go home?" And I've been like, "I'm fine, I just haven't got mascara on." So I'm just going to try this new one today, which is exciting because usually I just use my Monsieur Big and Life's Peachy. It looks pretty, but it's nothing major. That's pretty. So this is the Tarte, it's called Escape. And it's such pretty packaging. It's like blue marble. I just don't know about the shade. I don't know why they've provided me with this shade with this eye look. Like, I don't know. I just wouldn't really wear that with this eye look. But we're gonna try anyway. Feels creamy. Moisturising. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video and hopefully I'll see you again. So if you did enjoy today's video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you thought of this look today, and I'll see you again next time.